Good morning, children. So, we are going to study maths today, and yesterday already we have discussed the properties of perfect squares. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Four properties already we have discussed, isn't it? These four properties already we have discussed. Now, today we'll discuss the fifth property, that is, the square of a proper fraction is smaller than the fraction. Okay, square of a proper fraction. What do you mean by proper fraction? So, proper fraction, what do you mean by that? So, proper and improper fraction, you must have studied in your junior class, but still, just one example I would like to give you. Proper fraction means 1 by 2. This is proper fraction. 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. Okay, proper fraction. Why it is proper fraction? Where the numerator will be smaller and denominator will be larger. Numerator will be smaller, okay, and denominator will be larger. Denominator will be larger. Then it will be called as what? It will be called as proper fraction. Okay, and improper fraction. Improper fraction, what do you know about improper fraction? Suppose 3 by 4 by 3. Look at here. Here numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. So this is what? Improper fraction. Okay, improper fraction. Okay, so what is proper fraction? Proper fraction where numerator will be smaller and denominator will be larger, that will be called as proper fraction. Improper fraction where numerator is larger and denominator is smaller. Okay, so this is your proper and improper fraction. Now, what is our property? The square of a proper fraction is smaller than the fraction. Okay, square. What do you mean by that? Suppose 1 by 2 is a fraction. Okay, so 1 by 2, if we'll take its square, then how much we'll get? 1 by 2 square means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So how much we'll get? 1 by 4. So you can see here the square of 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. So the fraction, original fraction is 1 by 2. It is greater than 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is its square. Okay, so clearly you can see that 1 by 2, that is the fraction, is greater than the square of the fraction. What is the square of the fraction? 1 by 4. Okay, so 1 by 2, that is the fraction, is greater than the square of the fraction. What we have got? Square of the fraction 1 by 4. 1 by 4 it is greater. So if you will take any fraction, not only this, suppose 3 by 4, if you will take 3 by 4, so 3 by 4 square, what you will get? 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. How much you will get? 3 by 4 into 3 by 4, you will get 9 by 16. Now clearly 3 by 4 is greater than 9 by 16. Means the original fraction will be greater than the square of the fraction. Okay, so this is the property. What is the properties? Now come to the properties. What is our property? The square of proper fraction is smaller than the fraction. We have seen the square was, you can see here, 1 by 4, and this is the fraction. So square is smaller than the fraction. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, now come to the fifth property, that is the sixth properties. What is our sixth properties? For every 4, so 6 properties Sixth property is for every natural number n, we have n plus 1 square minus n square, which is equal to n plus 1 plus n. Okay, so we'll see this part. This part, n plus 1 whole square minus n square, it can be written as n plus 1 plus n. So this part we can take the value of n. Suppose the value of n will take 2. Okay, now this part will write as it is, n plus 1 whole square. So the value of n, what we have taken, 2. So we'll write the value of n. So n we have taken 2, so it can be written as 2 plus 1 whole square. Okay, 2 plus 1 whole square minus 2 square. Okay, now n plus 1. n plus 1 means 2 plus 1, and plus n means plus 2. Okay, so it can be written. Now look at here, what you'll get here, 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 means 3, so you'll get 3 square. Okay, minus 2 square. Minus 2 square means what? 4. Okay, which is equal to 2 plus 1. How much you'll get? 3, and this plus 2. Okay, so how much you are getting? 3 square. This 3 square means how much? 9. Minus 4. Okay, which is equal to 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. Now 9 minus 4, how much you'll get? 5 is equal to 5. Are we getting the same? So it is written in this form. You can see here, n plus 1 whole square. The value of n, we have taken the value of n 2, and the value we have put here. Okay, so LHS equal to RHS we are getting, isn't it? So it can be written in this form. Got it? So n plus 1 whole square minus n square can be written as n plus 1 plus n. So the value of n, you can take anything and you can solve it. Okay, so we'll see the application later. Now come to the next property, that is sum of first n odd natural number. N odd natural number is equal to n square. N odd natural number, just pay attention here, n odd natural number. So suppose n will take the value n is equal to 4. Okay, n is equal to 4. So first 4 odd natural number. Okay, so odd natural number, first 4 odd natural number, what is that? 1, 3, 5 and 7. These are the odd number, first four odd natural numbers. Okay, so its sum will be equal to what? Its sum will be equal to n square. So its sum will get 4 square, that is 16 will get. Are we will get 16 or not? Just we'll see this. Okay, so the sum of first 4 n natural number, what will get here? So just add it, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Now after adding, how much will get? 1 plus 3, how much will get? 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16. So 16 we are getting. The first, the value of n we have taken 4. That means first 4 n natural number, odd natural number. So first 4 odd natural number, 1, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, now we have added 1, 3, 5 and 7. How much we are getting? 16. Okay, so it is written, it is given, it is equal to n square. Can you see here? N square. So n square, what we have taken? N we have taken 4. So 4 square, already we have seen 4 square is equal to what? 16, and here we are getting 16. So it is proved that the sum of first 4 odd natural number can be written as n square. Got it? Okay, so we have discussed till property number 7. So you'll take your own example. Suppose n is given here, you'll take the value of n anything and you'll try to do some questions taking your own example. Next three properties we'll discuss tomorrow. So see you tomorrow in the next class. Thank you.